Hello guys, today let us learn one most important thing. We all have been using gadgets and the most used gadget is either a mobile phone or a laptop. Now what will happen if we start installing all the applications that are available? Our gadget tends to get slower and slower. Now this is something that we need to understand. In terms of our health, the similar thing is happening. And today I would want to talk on few pointers which will help you understand how to pick your packed foods or processed foods. You might tell me that you all know the foods that you pick up or you choose to consume. But having said that, if you pick up rice, you are able to see that it is rice. But if you pick up dal, you are able to see that it is dal. But having said this, if you pick up a processed food, if you pick up a packed item, do you really know what is inside it? Now, to understand that, there are three golden rules that I personally follow and I use them just before I pick up any processed food. At the end of the video, I have an activity just for you guys so that you will be able to understand it much better. So watch till the end of the video. Golden rule number 1. I first check what is the first 2 to 3 ingredients that are mentioned in the ingredients section. Usually this is around 50 to 60% of the product. So when you are picking up a product, just make sure what is the first 2 to 3 ingredients that are added. If it is usually sugars or if it is a form of a sugar, then you should be really worried or concerned. I will generally be hesitant to pick up such products. Golden rule number 2. Make sure to read all the ingredients that are put in the ingredient section so that you get to know like what all you will be consuming. If you are not able to identify it, just quickly Google around and you can find out what it is actually all about. And one more important thing, the more the number of ingredients, the more is the processing. Golden rule number 3. Make sure to check the nutrition facts section. And if you are not aware like what all the nutritions our body requires, then click on this I button and you will be able to go to my video and check that first and then come back to this video, which is very important again. Under the nutrition facts section, there is a section called as carbohydrates, under which there are two subsections, wherein one is the dietary fiber and the next is sugars. Now, if the sugars are more than the dietary fiber, you get to know easily that you are consuming more sugars and not the actual content or the fiber. If the sugars are more, then do you really think that is required for your body? Yes. Just have a check and follow these 3 golden rules so that you get to know what you are going to be consuming. And now here comes the activity. Now go to your refrigerator or go to your kitchen and pick up a processed food. Just pause the video, go there and then continue this video. After doing this activity, I want you to comment below like what are your findings, and I want you to answer 3 questions. What is the first ingredient in the product that you picked up? Next thing, how many number of ingredients are there in the product? And the last and the final thing, what is the sugar and fiber content along with the total carbohydrate content in that particular product? And do comment below so that I'll be waiting for your comments and I'll be responding to each and every comment of yours. Do share this video with your friends and family so that everyone gets benefited. See you guys.